An international twist to the classic chili cheese toast. Today we're making some tantalizing fusion toasts. For the Italian chili cheese toast, we'll first prepare a garlic aioli. Start with a little bit of mayonnaise. Stir in some minced garlic, lemon juice, mustard, salt, and pepper. You can use chili flakes if you don't have this. Just mix it up and you're good to go. If you're using an artisanal bread, then brush it with oil or butter and toast it in the oven. Otherwise, normal toast works just fine. Toast them at 180 degrees until they're golden brown and crisp. Remove them and cool them down. Smear the prepared garlic aioli over it and sprinkle with grated cheese. Top these with the classic chopped green chilies. And now you're ready to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. Remove them on a plate and serve hot. Next, we'll be making a fiery Chinese chili cheese toast. To prepare the homemade Szechuan sauce, soak the dried red chilies in hot water for 30 minutes or till they're soft. Discard the water and blend to a smooth paste, adding water if required. In a large pan, heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic, ginger, and onions. Sauté these for a bit until they lose their raw aroma. Now add the celery, which is optional, and cook it for a while, stirring occasionally. Next, we add the blended chili paste. Sauté for 2 minutes so that it cooks well. Now add water to adjust the consistency of the sauce. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time for some vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, tomato sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix well and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove this from the heat and let it cool down. Meanwhile, toast the bread slices till they're golden brown. Butter them if you like, because toast is always a little lonely without butter. Slice the bread in half for easy handling. Then spread a layer of the Szechuan sauce and top this with bell peppers and cottage cheese. You can also add some processed cheese on top, top it with spring onions, and bake it for a more gooey version. And you're ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed these two fusion creations. We'll be back with 2 more toast recipes very soon. So stay tuned and stay glamorous.